Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace the broken 70289 air check valve in a hot spring, Tiger River, and Limelight spa. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: needle nose vice grips or pliers, PVC cutters, small flathead screwdriver. Parts you will need: 70289 air check valve. Step 1. Remove the 1/2 inch spring clamp from the hose. Step 2. Install the 70289 air check valve. Step 3. If the barbed nipple of the air check valve is broken off inside the hose, dig it out with a screwdriver. Step 4. If the broken piece will not come out, cut it off with the PVC cutters. Step 5. Install the spring clamp and the new air check valve. Secure it with the spring clamp. Step 6. Place the air check valve in the mounting bracket underneath the bar top. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.